Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Snacktivity Station. I'm Miss Sarah at the Franklin Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a banana snowman. It's a perfect healthy snack to eat around the holiday time, or if you want to impress someone. Well, hopefully. We'll see how these look. So first you're going to start by, let's go over our ingredients. We need a banana. You need some grapes. You need a carrot. Baby carrot, big carrot, whatever carrots you got. You need some strawberries, and then you need some raisins or mini chocolate chips. I'm not sure what's gonna work best here, so I have both with me just in case. And then you're gonna need a skewer, because that's how we're gonna make our snowman. And the very first thing before we begin, which I already did, is make sure you wash your hands and make sure you wash all of your fruit, okay? So make sure you're washing those grapes, carrots, and strawberries. So we're gonna start by peeling the banana. And you're gonna wanna cut these into thick slices. So let's see. And you need 3 to start with, unless you wanna make more snowmen. So let's see, I'm gonna do just 1 piece right there, and then some thick slices. And then I'm gonna save my banana for later in case, you know, I need to use it again. So we'll put them over there. And then we're going to need to, what's next? Cut a triangle out of a carrot. And grown-ups can help with whatever part they need to help with, because we are using knives, so grown-ups need to help with this. So you're just gonna need to cut a triangle shape out of a carrot, which I've never done before, so we'll see how it goes. See if I can work with this little dude. So I kind of cut the tip of the carrot, and then look at, I was able to get a really tiny triangle piece that actually looks like a snowman's nose. Look how cute that is. So I'm gonna put him aside, and then I have a couple of extra pieces that I can use later if I need to make some more snowmen. And then we are going to take a strawberry, and what do you think the strawberry is gonna be? It's gonna be his hat. So let's see, let's use this one. And then you're gonna cut off the top part, the stem part. And then you're gonna cut it in half this way. So doesn't that look like the top of a hat? So cute. So leave your little hat pieces aside. So we cut all of the pieces that we need to cut. So next we're gonna work on assembling. So hopefully I cut my banana slices thick enough. So we're going to, wait, I forgot, we need to cut the grape in half too. Let's cut the grape in half. Find a grape that you like and cut the grape in half. I think I like this grape. Yeah, let's do this grape. So make sure to cut it in half. Ooh, we're gonna cut it in half like this. So it looks like a little circle like that. So it looks like a little poof on the top of the hat. Okay, so we have all of our pieces cut now. And now comes the hard part. We're going to build our snowman. So this is when you're gonna need your skewer. And we're gonna start by putting the 3 banana slices onto our snowman. And you are just sliding him down like this. Trying to get him as straight as possible. I'm gonna try that one again. So that's why you want thick slices, because you want him to stay on. And I'm gonna take a napkin too, because my fingers are getting a little dirty. But that's okay. You can be messy in the kitchen. So there you have your 3 banana slices. And what does he look like? He kind of already looks like a snowman. So cool. So next we're going to put the strawberry and grape on top. So I'm gonna slide my banana slices down a little bit. You know what? I think I need to rethread the bottom one. Give me 1 second. Because he, I think, is gonna fall off soon. Okay, that's a little better. We'll see. I have a movable snowman. Okay. So the next we're gonna do the hat. So that's when we're putting the strawberry slice on. And there's his little hat. And then comes the grape. That's his little poof ball on top of his hat. So it's kind of looking like this. This one banana slice on the bottom doesn't want to say, but how cute is that? And now we're gonna finish up with using the carrot for the nose. So I'm gonna lay him down flat so I can do this next part. And same thing with the chocolate chips or raisins. So you're gonna stick that little carrot nose in the banana. And then you're gonna grab some mini chocolate chips. I think mini chocolate chips will work best in this situation. And you're just gonna press those in for the eyes. And the 3 buttons down the snowman. And it's okay, everyone's snowman is gonna look different, and that's totally fine. And you can put as many buttons on your snowman as you want. I'm gonna go with 3. And let me hold him up so you can see. Ta-da! There's our snowman. Isn't he adorable? And this is a nice, tasty treat to eat for the holidays. Or for a nice winter day and it's snowing outside. So I hope you enjoy your snowman snack. Bye!